Hi, as you can see, I'm back down the allotment. Decided to put my shorts on today, and it's not as warm as yesterday, so I wish I'd put my jeans on, but it's going to warm up later. So, today's little job, as I said in yesterday's video, I don't know if anyone's watched it, but I'm going to try and experiment with some potatoes that I had at home that have sprouted. So whether you're meant to or not, I don't know. So I'm just going to drill some holes with my auger, which I've been using for all my other ones, which are now coming up nicely. So all I'm going to do is just drill so much easier than digging trenches. And then just grab a potato. I'm not sure what they are, so I'm just going to grab a few with some eyes in, big eyes. I don't know how many I'm going to get in, but I'm just going to put a few in, so deep, so they can get covered over. Like that. And then all I'm going to do then is sprinkle some potato fertiliser over. That goes into the holes. And then I'm just going to cover them over with a rake, but I'll do that all in one go. So I'll crack on with the rest of my potato sowing. We'll save these ones to the end, because they're different types. These ones up, because these are a different variety to the other ones, so I know where I'm going to plant them and how many I can get out. Because some of these I think are new potatoes that have seeded, and some are like main crop that have seeded, so we'll see. Easier to take this with me. So, as I say, this is an experiment, so I will keep coming back, obviously, to see how they're getting on, and I'll keep you posted as to how they end up doing. So, I'm just going to crack on with these at the moment. Start the other end at the minute, so I can put these big ones in, and then I'll see how much stuff I've got left. So I managed to get 32 in. So out of all that lot, that's all that was left. So I might even plant them at home. Alright, so as I said, just scatter some potato fertiliser over. I've already done those ones. So just along the row. This bucket has lasted me 7-8 years. Well worth the money. So I think I'll just have enough for this. Right, that's that. So now I've got my rake, I'm just going to gently cover them over. I won't be able to do a big mound over these ones because I haven't got much soil, but as I say, this is just going to be an experiment. As long as they're covered over. I'm sure the farmers don't do this, so they won't have time to rake everything, and they have big tractors for this. But I'm sure they don't have it in mounds, so we'll see. And then after I've finished raking, I'm just going to give it a watering, so to settle them in. And then, so just keep an eye on them over the next coming months and see how they do. Anyway, this is day 21 of Steph's veg. It's only a short video today because I did a lot yesterday, and this is the only job apart from cutting the grass. So hope you like it, and please subscribe.